Setting an alert. Sometimes you will need to be informed of opportunities when you are away from the platform. To ensure that you don't miss a critical update or a hot opportunity that may be in high demand, you can set alerts. When you set an alert, you will receive an email when an opportunity arises that meets your selected preferences, such as the name of the alert, which tags you want to include, the types of partnerships you want to see, and the categories of the alert. In this example, we will set a few categories: health and human services, healthcare and research and development. You can also choose how often you want to be alerted by setting the email frequency. You can set as many alerts as you wish. When you go back to your dashboard, you can scroll down and see your active alerts. They can be modified here as well.